Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We have a new knife that we just got in. This is the Benchmade Mini Barrage knife. The part number is 585-03. This is a great everyday carry assisted knife. So the Benchmade 585-03 Mini Barrage assisted knife is an update to the original 585 Mini Barrage. It's a strong and fast everyday carry knife, as you can see here. Very smooth open, very quick. And it has a CPM-S90V steel drop point blade. And that measures just under 3 inches. As I stated before, this comes in Blue Canyon Richlite. The patented access locking mechanism is completely ambidextrous, so you can use the thumb stud to open with right hand or left hand carry. One of the best features is that the knife is made in the USA. So you can get this for $270 with free shipping at PremiumSelectSupplies.com. And we'd really appreciate it if you just gave us a thumbs up on this video. That really helps us out a lot. If you subscribe, it's going to help you out. You're going to get to see new videos, especially in 2024 with the SHOT Show in January. There's going to be a lot of new releases, a lot of new videos, discount codes, specials, and how-to videos. Thank you for watching.